Type 1 if you can hear me. Type 1 if you can hear me. Damn it. It's not even the title. Alright, let's do it. So I'm just gonna start first going over. I hate this echo. Okay, great. It's recording. We are starting right now. All right, great. So, at first I was thinking about doing some introduction and introducing the course and going over all the basics with Cat Linux and introducing the tools and so whatnot. But I think it's better if we just go and try it and test them all together, like without going over definitions and slides and all that, which I just want to do the hands-on experience. So in any case, so the first target that we have, so now we're going actually to start, as I have to pull up the course outline. Just a moment here. So as you guys saw, I posted this on Facebook on the event page. So the course is divided into three phases or three sections. Um, it's going to be covering web app pen testing as well as system pen testing, and then at the end I'm going to go over the Wi-Fi Pineapple and what are the cool things that you can do with this device. So we will keep that at the end. We'll have it its own course, but let's start first with the system hacking. So first I want to start with the system hacking, and then we will go over the web app pen testing. That's after, which is probably tomorrow or the day after. All right. So um, as you may all know, the first thing that you want to do when you do pen testing is defining your target, right? So you have a target A. You want to know as much as you can about target A, which is the first phase, information gathering. So for the first probably 20-25 minutes right now, we'll be just gathering information about our target. So that's just like if you are going to visit a friend, or if you're going to a hospital, or if you're going to somewhere, a restaurant. First, you want to know what it is, right? Where it is located. And then when you go to the restaurant, you want to know what type of food they have, what's on the menu, and so whatnot. It's the same thing with hacking. First, you want to know your target, what operating system is running, what services are running, what ports are open, and then you will check the default logins and so on. So you have to get to the system in anywhere you can. It's not always open to the public. Like you can't even find everything. Oops. um, in front of you, but you have to dig into it. You have to go around um, and see what you can do with all the vulnerabilities that you find about the system. So anyway, so our first target is a Windows Server 2008 standard R2. Let me just get the IP address. I'll just bring it to you guys here so you can see what I'm talking about. So we have here our system, our target system, which is the Windows Server 2008, as you can see. Here R2 Service Pack 1. If you have tried it before, that is a great operating system to actually test your skills, because it's designed to be vulnerable. Um, but let's say we don't have the system, like we have no access to it. I'm just bringing it here to show you what the system that we are going to attack. But for now, let's just keep it. Oops. Alright, so we have our target here, and that's the only thing that we know. We only have an IP address of our target. Of course, the first thing that you want to check, go run nmap. So you want to gather as much information as you can about the target. So what I like to do all the time when I first run nmap, I like to go to Metasploit. Come on. Let's see if this is updated. Okay, great. Alright, so the reason I say Metasploit, because of this great tool that you could do, not a tool, let's call it feature. It's great in terms of, let me see if actually there's anyone having issues. Please, 1 second. If you guys have comment, just write in the chat and I will take a look at it. But anyway, so the best thing with Metasploit, you can use a workspace. The workspace will save all the work that you do. Let's say if you're running a pen testing on a system that you want to keep your reports, let's say the open ports that you find on the system, or if you can find, if you see like vulnerabilities, you could save them here. So you don't need to, you have to document them actually.